Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us, man, human being, jinn and human being. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, in chapter number 52, verses number 56, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. And I didn't create jinn and human being without any except that they worshipped only one Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in chapter number 1, verses number 6, in every prayer of Salah, we said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we asked, Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, guide us on the right path, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answered these questions in Surah Yasin, chapter number 36, in verses number 61. وَنِعْبُدُونِي هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ. You worshipped only one Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is the right way for your final destination. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala obeyed his role, and only one God we should worship in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is better for us. Wa tawfiqna illa billah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.